Hello guys, this is Karan from technofault.com, and today we have this AutoWiz device with us. It is not a smartphone or a regular device. It is basically a gadget that fits in your car. So you can get 4 things out of it. The first thing, you can track your real-time location of your car, so you can see where the car is going. The second thing, you can monitor the health status of your car. So stuff like coolant temperature, engine load, you can check all that via the mobile app. The third thing is the anti-theft alarm. This has an anti-theft alarm, so if your car is getting stolen or being towed, so you'll get notified via alarm on your app. So that is the third thing. And the fourth thing is you can record the trips and you can actually check the driving behavior. So if rash driving is detected or maybe sudden braking, so the device will inform your app and you'll get notified about it. So without wasting much time, let's unbox this and find out what it has got inside the box. So this is the box of the AutoWiz device, and it's written Connected Car Solutions. So that is how the company is marketing this device. We have a list of features written over here. You can see the first one being the real-time location, the second one is location notification, third one is anti-theft alarm, the fourth one is safe driving behavior, the next is save fuel, and the sixth one is car health report. So you get all this information in the app, which actually is present on Play Store as well as App Store. So you have the address over here, and the box content are the OBD device and extension cable. We'll have a look inside that afterwards. So this device actually gets plugged into your Obd2 port. So this is a diagram of Obd2 port. This port is basically used by service centers to actually check faults in your car, and it gives information about your car. So yeah, that is it. You have the support of app on Play Store as well as App Store. So that is it about the device and the information about it. Let us just go ahead and unbox this device. So the first thing that you get inside the box is the extension cable. This is how the OBD2 interface looks like. This is the female, this is the male, or you can call it vice versa. So this cable will be used if you want to hide this device. The next thing you have is the cable tie. So in case you want to hide the device, you can tie it somewhere with the wires. You have a setup guide, so you can refer this if you are new to this device. And lastly, you have the OBD device. So this is the AutoWiz device, which is very compact in size and it's very nicely built, and it is a bit heavy, so I guess it has an inbuilt battery inside this. So we have this interface over here. It has a SIM card module. So you have a SIM card tray. You can actually go ahead and insert the SIM card, but the company has already provided a SIM card with this device. It's actually sealed in, so you cannot open the tray. Then this golden connector is actually for external antenna in case you plan to use it for your GPS for extra strong signal, but in my case I didn't require one. The next is the indicator for signal strength, so the network strength is shown here. Then there is icon of engine connection, so if your device is properly connected with the car, so this light will go green. And lastly, you have this OBD interface. It is of 16 pins. So that's it about the device. You also have this device ID, which will need to log in. So we'll just go inside the app and see what all features you get with it. So this is the AutoWiz app that you get with the Android device or maybe the iPhone device. So this is how the interface looks like. So when you first actually install the app, you need to sign in, and you need to sign up for a new account. Then you can go ahead and sign in. So after signing in, you can actually go ahead and add a new car. So for adding a new car, you need to select private car or is it a public vehicle. So I'll select private car, and these are the credentials that you need to enter. So the car name, the car make, model, the fuel type, diesel or petrol, the engine capacity. You can actually go ahead and Google it, and the registration number, month of make, stuff like that. And then you need to press continue. So after that, you will be asked about your device ID and password. So the device ID is actually printed on the device, and the password you need to get it from the company. So after you get these two things from AutoWiz, then you can go ahead and actually have the data out of your car. So I've already added the data for my car. So you can see it's written Swift, the type is diesel, the engine capacity I've googled it, the registration number, the month of make, last serviced on, insurance renewed, so stuff like that. So coming back to the main screen, you have the map. So this is the location of my car now, and it's sitting like parked for like 8 hours 2 minutes now, and it's also showing the address here. So this works quite well, and the location is very precise, and it all depends on the GPS signal you get in your area. So here I have an icon to actually go ahead and turn on or off the traffic data. So you can see I'm just tapping on the signal icon to turn on the traffic data, which is actually great. So the next thing is trip dashboard, where you can see the distance, time, average speed, mileage of your car. So this is all the real-time data, and as soon as your car starts moving here, you'll see the data getting updated with the frequency of like 10 to 15 seconds, which is great for the monitoring the trips. So I can go ahead and see the chart. So this chart will tell me the trip count, distance, speeding time, fuel consumed, idle time, and driving alerts. So right now I have 2 driving alerts. So these are the 5 factors: overspeeding, hard acceleration, sudden braking, over reviving, long idling. So you can actually go ahead and set the threshold values for all these features, so that you'll be alerted, and this will help you to consume a lot less amount of fuel and improve your driving. So you can actually go ahead and set it to monthly, and you can see I have a sudden braking alert for 1 day, and this is showing me fair mileage or poor mileage, whatever mileage I'm getting. So I'll just go back and we'll jump down to the left option screen. So here you have the first feature, that is anti-theft alarm. So I've actually set an alarm for like 10 p.m. at night. It will end at 6 a.m. in the morning. So if my car gets stolen or towed between this time, then this app will notify me about it. So I've set it to repeat, and this is going to repeat all day. So I'll be notified via ring and vibrate both. So this feature works quite well with this device, and the notification time is like 10 seconds to 1 minute. So it depends on the various factors like your GPS signal, the network signal, and everything. So yeah, it is a great feature to have in your car. Then the next thing is location notifications. You can actually go ahead and add locations. So whenever your car reaches your home, office, or locations like that, then you'll be notified. Now the next interesting feature is car health. So this is the thing where your service center guys actually go ahead and check your data from the car, but now you can actually see all those data here in the app itself. So engine diagnostics, battery condition, coolant temperature, emission control, everything looks good here. So you don't need to worry about that, and if anything goes bad, then you can probably show it to your service center. So this will help you to monitor your health of your car daily. Now next option is trip history. So you can actually go ahead and click on any of the trips to see the data about it, and any alerts, so you can track your all the trips. So whenever you start the car, a new trip is registered here. So again, you have the same chart from this option. I'll go back, and here you have option to add new car. So this add new car feature will now work whenever you buy another device, and if you want to add multiple devices and multiple car, then you can manage it all from the same app, which is a great thing if you have multiple cars. Next is edit places. So from here you can set the locations of home, office, school, etc., and whenever your car reaches that location, then you'll be notified. The last thing is user profile. So name, mobile number, email ID, alarm sound. So it's set to default, which is like a buzzer, or you can say ambulance sound. So it will notify you about any theft or if the OBD device gets unplugged. And the last thing is change password. So that is your account password. So one more feature is to share your location with a friend. So you can actually allow a friend to track your car. You can set the duration, and we'll just try 10 minutes. Okay. Then it is showing me how I can share my trip. So you can actually go ahead and share it via WhatsApp or other medium. So it's basically the same way the Uber or any other car tracking app works, and you can actually go ahead and share the trip with your friends. That is all about the AutoWiz app. It has some great features and very simplified user interface. So I'll go ahead and plug this AutoWiz device inside the Obd2 port, and I'll show you how the port looks like. So this is my car, which is Maruti Suzuki Swift, and the Obd2 port is located below the Swift steering wheel on the left side. So we'll just go ahead and check out the Obd2 port. So these are the pedals, and inside this over here you have the Obd2 port. So you can actually see the Obd2 port. So I'll just go ahead and plug this device. So that was it for the software review and the features of this device. I hope you like the device, and the response time of the theft alarm varies from 10 seconds to 1 minute depending on the location you are and the signal strength the device is getting. You can always go ahead and track your device, your car real-time location, even if your car gets stolen or get towed. So if somebody tries to actually unplug this device, you'll also get notified on the app, so that is never an issue. And this device is available on Amazon for ₹7,400. You can go ahead and buy it online, and I've mentioned the link down below in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you. This is Karan signing off from technofol.com.